So everyone, we come again in a new video, new project. Today I'm in Expo Dubai Expo with existing project by the dev mark Shamsa Townhouses. So I'm with one of the sales management team, Mr. Walid.
Hi guys, pleasure to meet you.
So Mr. Walid, could you be so kind to give us a quick brief about your project?
It would be my pleasure. So welcome guys to Expo Valley in Expo City Dubai. Now this is an unbelievable, breathtaking project that we've brought to you here in Dubai. Okay. Now firstly, this is all connected to Expo City, right? Now Expo City is a complete community with its own metro station, Dubai Exhibition Center, the Al Wasl Dome that has tons of events going on, and of course you have loads of retail, restaurants, companies moving in because this is a free zone. Okay, so it's only going to grow and grow in terms of population, right?
So I'm all aware about Expo City. It's a merge of hotels, shops, restaurants, and amenities, and the huge mall. I think there is a mall will be opening soon, right?
So the mall is opening anytime now. In the next couple of months, it will be open.
So the location, first of all, it's wow. Let's talk about the project and what is special. As I know, the last video, I received some inquiries about some townhouses next to the Expo City. Now, Mr. Walid will tell us what they have as a townhouse.
My pleasure. So firstly, we'll start here. This is the green bridge that connects you directly to Expo City, right? Now, this is only for residents to use, and it's absolutely breathtaking and brings you to this huge villa community that you have here. Now, on average in Dubai, around 20 to 30% of the villa community will be dedicated to green spaces, on average. Here, you have over 60%, which is dedicated to green spaces. You have this huge nature reserve, okay, which will have a natural wadi, fish inside, gazelles roaming around. It is absolutely stunning. Everything has been done to make you feel like you're living in a nature reserve. Yeah, over 60% greenery, right?
Yeah.
You'll also have a thick forest that cocoons you around the whole community. Of course, this will reduce the sound from outside and literally make you feel like you're living in a different place.
It's more in greenery.
Correct. Okay. Now, what else is special about this? Again, on average, villa communities start at around 1,500 units minimum. All right. Here you have in total everything that you see here, only 520 units, which means it's super exclusive, which means, of course, on handover, the price will skyrocket because we have a huge demand for villas and townhouses here in Dubai. And there's only 500 in this whole community spread out over a vast area. Yeah.
So of course, when we are talking about a product, a real product, we are talking about a special inventory.
Yes, correct. Now, what do we have here in Expo City? Firstly, we have the standalone villas. Okay. Now, these are 5-bedroom standalone villas, private pools right on the wadi. They are the signature mansions that we have here. Okay. Then we have the duet villas or the semi-detached villas. These are 4-bedroom villas connected to 4 beds or 5 beds connected to 5 beds. Okay. But what we've launched now is Shamsa, which is right here. Okay.
So Shamsa cluster, which has been just launched, it's this side, as you can see exactly. Yeah. Okay. So this until now.
Correct. All of this. Now, if you're lucky, you can get a unit. The 4 bedrooms are always on the outskirts. So the corner units are always 4 bedrooms. Then you have the 3 bedrooms in the middle, right? Now, what's special about this whole community? You have different elevation changes, right? So these villas on top are almost 4 meters above the villas below. Okay, so you have one villa up here, one villa down here, 4 meters difference, right? What does that mean? You're going to have much better views of course, this nature reserve right in front of you.
Correct.
And more importantly, much more privacy.
And what everyone is looking for. You have privacy and you have special and open view.
Correct. Right? Now, all down the spine of the valley, you have tons of amenities, right? You have free-flowing water, adventure parks for kids, tennis courts, basketball courts, everything you can imagine, right? And 3 clubhouses. And Shamsa is located right next to one of the biggest clubhouses. Swimming pool, gym, function room, Again, everything that you can imagine from a 5-star residence.
There is as well, I can see kids playground, right?
Yes, there's tons of kids areas throughout the whole spine, yeah? Not just here. You have free-flowing water, again, throughout the whole spine, which, of course, we can share with you guys. Yeah? Now, let's talk about the pricing.
Pricing, most important.
Yes. So the 4 bedrooms on the outskirts start from around 4.6 million right now, okay? Then you have the 3 bedrooms that start at 3.3 million, okay? Now, we've given you all of this, an unbelievable community, tons of green spaces, built for the future, loads of innovation, okay? And a payment plan that is the best payment plan in the whole of Dubai.
The most important, the
Correct.
payment plan.
Yes. You have 50% during construction, which is, of course, a handover date of January 2026, right? Then you have 50% post handover for 3 years, unheard of, right? Now, why is this important for clients? Not only do they have more time, but they have peace of mind. This is a government project, okay? They do not need your funds to build everything you see in front of you. That's why they can offer you 50% post handover for 3 years. Okay?
So you pay 50% on handover on completion of the project. You move in and you're gonna pay the installment during 3 years. You are living in your villas and you are paying for 3 years payment plan.
Or someone else is living in your villa and paying your payment. Even
Exactly.
better. All right?
Exactly. And for the booking amount, like some same question.
If you want to
what's
go
the
for booking,
amount?
very simple. You block the unit with 50,000 dirhams, fill out a client information form, all the information there, passport copy, etc. Then you have 7 days we can push it 7 days to pay the 20% plus the DLD.
So for booking 50,000 dirhams, which is the Emirates or the local currency, to block or hold a unit, either 3 bedrooms or 4 bedrooms, it's the same. Then you're gonna have 7 days to complete the down payment, which is
20%.
20% is the down payments. Correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Amazing. Any other questions you have?
I have a question. Okay,
Sure.
so the service charge.
The service charge is estimated to be at 5 dirhams per square foot.
5 dirhams.
Okay, and that, of course, is to maintain all of this amazing community that you see in front of you here.
Yeah, for me, to be honest with you, Mr. Walid, it's a good investment. We have a
100%.
good and an amazing capital appreciation. And last question, handover date.
Handover is January 2026.
2026 January will be the handover date. So yeah, that was good. So for all the information, sizes and more details, it will be on the description down. And contact me anytime. You are most welcome. Thank you so much, Mr. Walid. It was a great
Thank you very much.
presentation. Thank you so
very
much. Welcome.